So I'm back again with another video. This is the top 20 tips I wish I knew before I started playing. Whether you're a new or a seasoned player, this will help you. I've saved the best stuff towards the end, so stick around. Thank you to the over 1,000 subscribers to this growing channel. I am so very grateful. Okay, this is going to be rapid, so let's go. Tip 1. Don't make my mistake. Never sell your cutter. It's needed for mining, so make sure you favourite it. Next up, you can sell directly from your ship inventory, so you don't need to carry stuff from your ship to sell. Just press Q to switch on PC or LB on Xbox. Sort inventory by weight. If you are overburdened and need to make room, sell your heavy items first in the shops and trade terminals. Tip 4. This one saved me missing some good items. Don't forget to use your scanner to easily see loot in missions. Sleeping for just 1 hour gives you an instant heal to full health and a 24 in-game 10% XP boost. The items under the MISC category, the Digipick is also in MISC. Take care not to sell these as you will need them to open locks. Here's another useful one. Invest in security skills early on. Get at least 1 level in security to be able to open advanced locks. Invest in your body. Being able to carry more is a great help in this game. Suits like the Mantis have massive buffs to carry weight. This is a useful one. In early game, you always run out of breath too quickly. You should get the fitness skill to get more oxygen. People didn't know you can shoot asteroids for resources. Try shooting them many times until you find rare ore, and maybe even an ultra rare loot cache. Never fast travel back to your ship. Double check for those cred sticks, digipicks, med packs and anything else of value. Don't get caught with illegal contraband in your ship. The den is the safest place to sell it without going to space jail. Always pick up ammunition whenever you can, or buy it, because it doesn't matter what it is, it doesn't weigh anything, so you could sell it. Did you also know you can scan gas and ice giants instantly as you can't land on them for the survey data? Also, you only get the best price from Victor in the eye for them, so always sell your survey data there.
And the darkness gets lit, just the candle more.
In this game, you do use med packs a lot, especially on the harder difficulty levels, so always buy them or pick them up in missions. I used to walk towards the unknown points of interest when I looked at them through my scanner, but I didn't know you can just press E to instantly reveal what they are. Did you know you only have to actually give them 1 piece of ammo because they never run out of ammo? As long as you give them 1, they can shoot the gun and they never run out. Give them 1. You see ships when they land on planets sometimes. Sprint towards them as fast as you can. Take some drugs to help you, like the one that makes you run faster and the one that reduces damage. And then all you do is take over the ship, fly away, and as long as you jump out of the system, that's your ship. Steal as many as you can. Be aware, if you're going to register a ship, don't register a cheap one because there's more profit margin in registering the better ones that you can steal. Also remember, when you register a ship, it automatically turns to your home ship. You can change your home ship at any time in the menu. Tip 20 is all about selling your unwanted ships and buying better ones. So in this example, I sell a few of my ships and I buy the Mule. The reason I bought the Mule is because it has a lot of cargo. I want to give you just one last bonus tip, but before I do, I'd like to say thanks for getting this far. Starfield has been a controversial release, but with both positive and negative reactions from the gamer community. I say, if you like it, just play the game, just how you want to play it. It doesn't matter what anyone else thinks, it's just a game that I believe will get better in time with mods and updates, so enjoy it and leave any tips you think are useful in the comments right now. Bye.